Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to change privacy settings in Zangi app. To change privacy settings in Zangi app, first tap open the application. Now, in the settings section, you have to scroll down and go to privacy. Here, you can enable passcode lock and fingerprint. If you don't know how to enable passcode lock and fingerprint, you can see our previous videos as well. You can choose one by one which privacy settings you want to turn off or turn on by simply tapping on it. I'll be turning off show my online status by simply tapping on it like this. Now I will enable the scene status as well. Tap on show scene status and here you go. It has been enabled successfully. You can also see your blocked contact list right here. Simply tap on blocked. Here, you can block someone or unblock someone as well. Let's go back. And now you also have the option to delete account as well. But remember, deleting account will delete all your data permanently, including messages, call history, and profile info. And that is how you change privacy settings in Zangi application. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.